Hi, my name is Sandra from Divery, and today I would like to show you how to use the calendar function. Today I'm going to show you how to make a new appointment or to let your guests dive in the calendar. So you have two options. You go either from here or from there inside the calendar. And there you have also different options for the view. You can have a daily view in vertical or horizontal, a weekly or a monthly one. There you can see already the trips for today. And adding a trip is here on plus by writing the name, starting time, and you can choose also a different kind of color, which kind of resources you need. So here the employee and what you need for it. For example, 10-liter tanks and the boat Morgana, where it goes, and then which service, diving. So all the services, this is one of the product categories, can be added here. And the minimum and the maximum amount of guests which can join. And here you can choose the guests by clicking on it, or if you have a name, then by name, or if you know the box number, then by box number. And then save it. And then it's here also again in front of your dashboard and here. I'm going to show you this quickly. There you have now the two trips. And if you click on the trip and go here on the list, you can choose here already which guests are going with which dive group. And if you put any kind of notes for the guests inside, like uses always a lot of weight or has problems by equalizing, then you will find those things here. You can write it also. Later on can be written also the dive time and the dive depth. And by clicking on or clicking away, this is then sure the guest was diving. And then it will appear also on the invoice, and save it. If you click on finish, the trip will be closed and it will be all done and you can't bring it back. Another thing what you can do also with the calendar is that you have here templates. And then you can say also that you can copy events. You can say, for example, that the complete week should be copied for the next week. So let's start then with the 12th. And then all these will be copied. And then you will find it also in the next week, also with the guests. If there are no guests till now inside, for sure the guests will be also not copied. And for sure you can create also here new templates. Yeah, this is the main thing about this tool of the calendar. Let's just double check. Sec. Yeah, Sandra was diving today. And so this is all correct. So this was working out. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos will follow up you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Or you can have a look also on our social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.